Hi there. This is a very quick quiz app created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it's using a connector to an open source trivia database. So the API is free. You can go onto open source trivia database and you can just sign up and use their quiz questions, and everything's free there. I don't know if there are some paid versions to it. I haven't actually looked into it. I've just used it for this video so I can put it onto my portfolio. I'm going to show you the code just now, but what this does is there's just a few questions in here. I've selected, you can choose different types and genres, and you can actually put in however many questions you want to. I've just selected 10 questions. So what this does is you can select the answer to this question, and it will, if it's incorrect, it will select the correct question for you. So it will highlight the correct, it won't select it for you, it will highlight it in green, the correct answer. So what is the name of the Halloween related Sims 4 stuff pack released September 29, 2015? I think it's Spooky Nights. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try. Oh, I'm correct. Okay. What is the Polish city known to Germans as dancing? I'm just gonna go with Warsaw. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so you see there that I selected the incorrect answer and it highlighted that the correct answer was the fourth one. Let's just go through the code quickly. So this is the code behind the quiz that we took a look at just now. So the first variable is the API URL, and this stores the URL for the Open Trivia Database API. This also stores the amount that it fetches, so the amount of questions that it fetches from this API. This API brings in 10 questions that I have selected, but if you go into opentriviadatabase.com, you can have it select 20 questions or 30 questions, and it will do that for you. And then you can generate that API and it will give you something like this, and then you can store it in this variable here. The next few variables are your question element variables, option element, and next button. And these variables store references to HTML elements on the web page where the question, options, and next buttons will be displayed. Okay, I'm just going to go through this very quickly. The next function is a check answer variable. So this just checks if your answer is correct. And if it's correct, it's going to highlight green. If it's incorrect, it's not going to highlight. It will just highlight the correct answer for you. But what you can do is, if you wanted to maybe highlight red, if you selected the incorrect answer, you can actually change this around and make it select red. Oh, sorry, highlight red. So you can actually change the code around if you want to. There's a lot more you can actually do with this code. I could have done a lot more with this. For now, I'm just going to leave it this way. So there is an index.html file that I'm using and a style.css file that I'm using as well. So this is the code. Thank you for watching.